Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday, April 27th, and these are your bell ringer problems. All right, for problem number 9, we need to take a look at 42 and 36 hundredths divided by 6 tenths. Please remember that you cannot divide a decimal if it is on the outside of your division box. So I'm going to go ahead and move this decimal over one place, and that's going to become 6. I'm going to move this over one place, and that's going to become 42 or 423 and 6 tenths. Now, I know that 6 cannot go into 4. I know that 6 can go into 42 7 times. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 minus 42 is 0. Bring down my 3. I know that 6 cannot go into 3. 0 times 6 is 0. And then bring down my 6 here, and I know that 6 can go into 36 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. When you get none, you are done. And so I must bring my decimal straight up into my answer, and so I get 70 and 6 tenths. All right, number 10 here. Number 10, they want us to find the area of the parallelogram. Well, this is your base, which is 9, and this is your height, which is 14. And the way that you find your area is that you're going to do your base times height. So I'm going to do 14 times 9. I'm going to go ahead and write it this way. 9 times 4 is 36. 9, 10, 11, 12. So I get 126 inches squared. 126 inches squared. All right, number 11, they want us to take a look at 6 thousandths times 8 thousandths. This is pretty easy. I'm going to just go ahead and do 6 times 8, write it down as 48, and I can see here that I have 1, 2, 3 decimal places, 4, 5, 6 decimal places. So I'm going to start at the back and move over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, put my decimal here, put a 0 in front of it, and then fill it in with zeros. So I see here that I'm left with 0.000048. Okay. All right, and then last but not least, we haven't gotten to this form of algebra yet. We're still talking about replacing a variable, but this is asking us if 5 times x equals 45, then what does x equal? Well, the way that we do this, I see that this is 5 times x, so I know I have to do the opposite. I'm going to divide by 5 here, cancel those out, and divide by 5 on this side. And so 45 divided by 5 is going to give me 9, so I know that x has to equal 9 in that case. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at problem number 5 and 6. Which decimal is equivalent to 4 and 9 hundredths? Well, if you can read this fraction's name, you should see that this is 4 and 9 tenths, this is 4 and 90 hundredths, this is 4 and 9 thousandths, so this has to be 4 and 9 hundredths. There we go. And then finally, problem number 6, which is a prime number? Well, I know that 27 can be divided by 9 and 3, so that's not prime. I know that 52 can be divided by 2 because it has more than one number that can go into it. Now I'm left with 51 and 53. 51 is close to 50, and I know that not a lot can go in that. 53, I'm pretty sure, can be divided by another number, so that means that 51 is our prime number. There's nothing that can go into both the 51, okay? And so we are at the halfway point through this week, so halfway through the week, we've got to make it through. Remember, we're looking for kickball on Friday. We're going to have a great day. Some people are already very close to canceling themselves out from yesterday. Some folks had some behaviors that they need to get in check. Let's make this a great week, folks.